Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add book now button to a Facebook page. Once you log into the Facebook app, you want to switch to the page that you want to modify. This is a profile, but now I want to switch to that page. Now just tap on your profile picture here at the top, then switch to that page. Okay, let me modify this page here. You are switching to the page first. Then after doing that, click on your profile picture to the left. Then click on the three dots here to the right. Then click on viewers. Click on viewers. Sorry for that. Now you can see currently I can only like the page, but I cannot see the shop now. Sorry, I cannot see the book now button. We are going to add that button in a while. Okay. Click on the arrow back button. Then click on add action button at the top here. Then you want to click on this edit buttons. Then select book now, this one here. Then click on set up appointments. You can edit availability. Let's say you are available throughout the week, or let's say Monday to Tuesday for simplicity. Then click on the arrow back button. Let me just fill everything here. So that you can understand, okay? Now these are the arrows. You can set up the time that you are available. For instance, you can see here, you can set that you are available from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Now click on the arrow back button. Then save. Okay, let's try. Okay, don't worry about the error. It has been saved regardless. Now just click on the arrow back button. Now tap on view as. Now you can see I can see the book now button. So customers can easily book for appointments. Thank you guys for watching. Let's meet in the next video.